Palm Tree 1. Discover the enchanting tea culture of the Azores and Madeira with Viajo. Hot beverage herb. Escape to the lush, green landscapes of these Atlantic paradises, where tea plantations thrive amidst stunning natural beauty. Sip on some of the world's most unique teas while taking in breathtaking views of the ocean and rolling hills. Seedling. Explore the Azores. Wander through verdant tea fields on São Miguel Island. The Gorreana Tea Plantation, one of Europe's oldest, is a must-visit. Immerse yourself in the tea-making process and savor the freshest cups. Cherry blossom. Uncover Madeira. Journey to the island's northwest coast, where the Porto Formoso Tea Plantation awaits. Surrounded by tropical gardens, this plantation offers a sensory journey into the world of tea production. With Viajo, your tea time experience in the Azores and Madeira becomes an unforgettable adventure. Indulge your senses, connect with nature, and embrace the unique tea traditions of these stunning destinations.